Alright, people out here, hotter vibes. So, them dead, man, dead. Prep for the Sendai trip. And Roppongi Shinjuku link. You know, it's one money, one family. You know me? Right now, you know, you go. Code for it. Next year, I change gear now. Yeah, that's it. Them are come out hot, like hot bread. Not Japanese bread, you know, because the bread is out there for like 10 hours uncovered because apparently Japan is the cleanest place in the world. So, I'm going to buy the food from the bakery unless Mr. The man that's come out. Yes, sir. Fresh cash. Dirty money, you see me? I'm going to try to get out of here. I'm going to Shinjuku, go do some video shoot plus play at his own birthday party, which is really interesting. Anyway, this boy saved my life, you know, so I can't diss him, I can't really diss him. So, he's the only white boy I defend, you understand? The man saved my life, so, yeah. I think my mother he's the only white boy my mother read too, so you go. Big up. Outside. Alright, I'm in R3, we're gonna have a mad event tonight, Sin City. I'm here. This is my brother from Cuba. My brother from Cuba, Alexander.
Jamaica, Cuba. Mira aquí, mira la familia. One love family.
One love family. So we are R3. We think I'm cool for you, brother.
I'm an alien, bitch. I feel like changing the world. I need to know.
Damage. Dead bodies. Oh no. Alright, so I'm out the club, R2, R3. There's not much to show tonight. Waiting on Robbie, so we're probably go to Arabics or something. We're going to Sendai on the Shinkansen tomorrow. And then we'll get some food right now. In Roppongi. Heading over there for the massage. But yeah, that's the plan. He goes there. Gonna go to Ibex or whatever. What's going on? Might change into my slippers and my track pants for comfort when I'm traveling, but yeah, this is a vibe. Roppongi never sleeps. Roppongi goes on to like 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Absolute madness. Mayhem pandemic. It's like just after 5 a.m. now. So that's just a vibe right now. Oh, shaving cream. Oh yeah. This is the spot after the club where we have to hit our spot. Vibe. This is it. This is the vibe right after the club. Your friend?
One of the coolest of boom on the floor. I whisper in your ear, come in, you ready to go? I rolled up the window, put it up in the air. Got them little dress on, we coming up out of there, yeah.
We don't stop partying. Third place, Odeon. Yeah, so we got top boy. Third place, Odeon. Bad don't stop. Still on my left, Roppongi, supposed to go to Sendai. It's now like, what's the time? It's 6:34 a.m. Alright, so heading to Tokyo Station. Just left. Wow, there's an ambulance out here and out here. Damn. What's this? Somebody must have had like alcohol poisoning or was too drunk. Somewhere close by. They're probably in the back already. This is the Roppongi to the. Yeah, there's no foreigners allowed in this place here. So these other places in Roppongi where they only apparently accept Japanese people. But it's like a up pipe. It's a bar, snack bar, where they only speak Japanese, and even if you speak Japanese as a foreigner, they probably won't let you in. So yeah. Yes. So yeah, it's Roppongi. My voice kind of choppy right now, but get some rest and some sleep. I should be okay for later, and then later then okay for work. So it's gonna be a mad packed weekend. Hopefully these days will also their massage. Can be ready about that. See, they won't do it on video camera. They won't ask me. So anytime it's with a lady in a pullover jacket and jeans and sneakers in Roppongi, more than likely she may ask if you want a massage. Alright, so one of them things there, but we're moving quickly. That's a kryptonite, you don't want to be recorded, and like it's illegal, right? So you don't want to be recorded. So yeah. Oh, I almost walked into these guys here. Usually I go to Ibex, but I don't know. Oh, that Jag is fine. Is that Jag? No, it's a Bentley, my bad. Alright, we're going on the Hayabusa. This thing long like so. Watch out. Damn! This bug long. I guess it's the piercer, the snow piercer. But like the snow. We're on the Hayabusa. Ekibenwa. Now this, you know. Hayabusa. This. People, one thing is apparent, we're not in Tokyo anymore. I tell the place, brrr, it's brewery. It's very brewery. Brewery? Sendai Station. Look at you, don't run. One in Hachimitsu. Farm to table desk, you know. Farm to table. Hachimitsu. Sendai Station. We out. Place cold bay. Nah lie. It's kinda cold. Supposed to get picked up as big guest artists. You know what I mean? But I feel like I take a big old circle. I wouldn't put that up there. Alright, so there, yo, the down them easy, no down them easy. But there.
I want for the road,
Yeah, hold on. No, you did it. What's up?
for the road,
Alright, wait a second. About this. So you don't know, say, well, take a little warm up shot for the vocals, you know, for going on the road. Watch hotness over so.
One was the one.
Say I mustn't call her Miss Chin, so I won't.
Yeah, man.
Hey boy, hey birthday boy. Birthday DJ.
Birthday DJ.
Something I forgot that night. Alright. Salut. Tanjobi de Ometo.
Give him a second.
Salut, Tanjobi de Ometo, because I'm as big boss. Birthday done. Birthday DJ. Hey. Hennessy Bennessy. Henny's time is Hennessy time. Yo, let me tell you something, fam. Oh, yeah. If you didn't know, it's Jamaican, guys. You know.
At least we're Irish. Everybody was really nice.
It's actually snowing right now in Sendai. I can't hear this. We can't do this. Can't do this. No way.
That and but no, like
Man, some man sound like they come from New York, but mad brick outside.
It's mad brick, bro.
Shut up. Sendai station, people. It's actually snowing. That's crazy. We're gonna get some food and then.
Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. And look clean, don't it? Watched it the other day, watch how you lean on it.
So the party done,
Yeah.
next party done, and now we're going to the second event.
Yeah. Party. New Norwich over here, right?
Yeah,
We hot vibes in the place, yeah. Welcome to Sendai, brother.
yeah. Big boss there, that place we're not
Yeah.
cash. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Move on my way. So I go. I ain't going to do
Put up in the old money maker. Right in the building, the other side. What the vibe? When it jump on them.
Just coming in at 4. Place full of snow. Watch it. Oh boy. Alright people, that's the end of the vlog. I will see you next time. Bye.